Have you ever seen the term canonical tag and not understood what it meant? In this video, I'm going to tell you what it is and why it's so important. Basically, a canonical tag is a little piece of code on your website written in a meta tag that is used to tell search engines what the primary URL of a page is. So basically, sites will have query strings and other things after URLs, but the canonical tag tells search engines all of the SEO juice should go to this specific page for this URL. So you might have a checkout on your site or other things like that that involve multiple pages or multiple URLs, but you want to link all of that SEO juice back to one page, and that's where a canonical tag comes in. Now, if you're using a WordPress site, likely you're using a WordPress plugin for SEO, and that'll actually set the canonical tag for you, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you've ever seen a canonical tag, that's what it's for, and that's why it's important. I'll also note that if a canonical tag isn't set, search engines will just use the URL of the page that it's on, but it's really important that it matches the page. So for example, if you had a really good post on your site and the canonical tag was actually just leading to the homepage, all of that SEO value of that page will reference back to the homepage, and you'll lose a lot of your rankings. So that's why canonical tags are important. And if you have the RightBlogger Chrome extension, you can also check to see if the canonical tag matches the page URL you're currently on, or just to verify what the canonical tag is of the current page you're on.